This is Macy's, but they closed forever. Huh. I know what they're gonna do with this mall. Parking lot been empty for years. Used to been full back in the day. This parking lot used to be full back in the day. And so many businesses are closing down. Damn, what the hell is wrong with this here? Huh. Come on, folks. Bring your asses here. Because I heard they did that at GameStop in here. They closed that down. There's a GameStop down the street. Huh. I don't know who that was honking, but I don't know that person. The Esplanade. All right. All right. Go through here. And that escalator still broken? Disregard that music, y'all. This escalator still broken. Is this some bullshit? Huh. Can't use this one because it's coming down. Uh-huh. All right, so that's why I have to use the other escalator. That sucks. Usually start upstairs, you know. Huh. Kids gym. Never been enough. I mean, I never go in there, you know. There's some black folks that come in there. There's some Latina. Okay. Let's see. How you doing? All right. Okay. Now, look at all this, you see? All right. I mean, I like this mall, you see? I hope they don't close this place down. I love this place, you know? All right, we're gonna go up this escalator right here. It's a Schindler, okay? And the fire alarm went off here. Oh, well, I'm gonna show y'all over the banister. Schindler. All right. All right. Look how high is that? Y'all see that? Not to go to spawning gaming, spawning point gaming. Wow. Check out our. I don't recall what was his name. I forgot. Those pizzas. They sell pizza over there. The elevator way over there. Chicken strip. Good Lord. I really hate this. This is getting run out of style. Well, we might as well go in, but I'm gonna stop the tape when it's time for me to stop the tape, you know. All right, so here we go. You have to be just for play. We about to go in. Okay. Oh, what's that? Here we go. Check this out. All right. Time to stop.